2019 Infiniti QX50 has a Euro TMT yet been appraised by security authorities. The 2019 Infiniti QX50 is too new to forfeit to a divider. Government and free analyzers havenâ Euro TMT yet appraised the hybrid SUVâ Euro TMS crashworthiness. We Euro TML refresh our scores once they do. Uplifting news, the Euro TMS sensibly prepared to dodge crashes in any case. Forward impact admonitions with programmed crisis braking are standard on all models, and a rearview camera is base hardware. Too.Blind-spot screens are standard on the mid-review Luxe trim level, and an encompass C camera framework is standard gear on essential trims. Infiniti Euro TMS suite of cutting-edge dynamic well-being highlights is accessible just at the best trim level, packaged into two separate bundles. The primary bundle includes versatile journey control and stopping sensors. The second bundles a semi-self-sufficient suite of equipment Infiniti calls ProPilot Assist that incorporates dynamic path control, a head-up show, and programmed stopping for additional. Infiniti Euro TMS ProPilot Assist framework requires consistent driver consideration and works just with plainly obvious path markings on continuous extents of street. The Euro TMS not intended to pilot the auto all alone, yet when utilized appropriately, it should make cold deals or automobile overloads easier. Standard well-being gear incorporates airbags for all travelers and footing and soundness control programs. Forward impact cautioning with programmed crisis braking are standard on all QX50s, and dynamic security highlights are accessible on top trim levels. Construct QX50s don't Euro TMT hold back in light of highlights, yet we begin with the mid-level and climb from that point. The best trim level offers shocking value Euro and better alternatives. Every single trim level incorporate no less than 19-inch wheels, Bluetooth network, control flexible front seats, and a double-screen infotainment framework. We have our problem with that double screen set for Euro, especially that it does Euro TMT offer choices from Apple or Android Euro, but recognize that it may not be a major issue.